Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to Preeminence Nkomo for being the first in the notification family. I appreciate you so much. So in today's video, we're going to be taking out these braids. They've been in for a bit of a while now. They need to be redone and just need to be taken out so we can actually take care of our hair. It's really important to make sure that you take your hair out and you actually take care of your hair and give it some tender loving care before you put it back into some braids. So that's what we're going to be doing today. When I take my braids out, I like to cut them to a length that I think is okay. Cut less than you think you actually need. You don't want a situation where you end up cutting your actual hair. So cut a bit lower than where you think your hair actually is. After I've done that, I'm gonna go in and wet my entire head. I prefer to work with wet braids because they're actually easier to take out, and also it won't do that much damage to my hair, my actual hair, when I start taking out the braids, because my actual hair will be wet as well, so there'll be minimal breakage and it's just a lot easier to undo your hair when the braids are actually wet. If you've never tried this method before, give it a shot. Trust me, it will change your life. So this is what my hair is looking like. There's very minimal knots. There's actually no knotting of my hair at all. Don't mind me, I was really enjoying my music. So we're going to focus majority of our attention on this area here where the dirt and debris is, to make sure that that area is really clean while we shampoo. I'm going to go through and add some shampoo to my hair, just making sure that I lather all my hair, especially the roots of my head, which is the most important part because that's the dirtiest part. I'm going to make sure that I also add some water so I can really lather in my hair and show you guys what I'm doing. I'm focusing majority of my attention on the roots. All the products that I use in my wash day routine and my full technique can be found in my 2020 wash day routine. I'm going to link it up in the card for you guys there. Once I've gone and shampooed my hair, really making sure that it's clean, I'm going to dry it out with my microfiber towel, and then I'm going to do a mask for today. The mask that I'll be using is an avocado mask that I made myself. It's an avocado protein mask. My hair could need some protein at the moment. It's not too dry for me at the moment. So I don't need a moisturizing mask, and I don't need an apple cider vinegar rinse either because I haven't really been suffering with a lot of damage. So it's a perfect time for me to be doing a protein mask to my hair. This is a really good mask to be doing after braids and things like that, to just really make sure that you strengthen your hair again. After I've added in the mask, I'm going to allow it to sit for a few hours in my hair and add my cap just to retain some moisture and allow it all to sink in. Once it's been soaking in for about an hour and a half, I'm going to show you guys what my hair is looking like. After taking your braids, I always recommend to do some sort of mask to target some of the weak areas in your hair, whether it be dandruff, dryness, or just overall maintenance. If you're suffering from things like dandruff after your braids, I recommend doing an apple cider vinegar rinse. My apple cider vinegar video is going to be linked up in the cards. Alternatively, if you see that your hair is really dry and brittle, I recommend doing a moisture mask. You can make a DIY moisture mask, or you can do your own hydration moisture mask. My favorite is this one from Sheer Moisture. Or if you're like me and your hair's doing okay, but you still really want to take care of it, you can do a protein mask like the one I have on. So after I've allowed that to soak in, I'm going to rinse it out in the shower because my back is so sticky. So yeah. So after I've gone and rinsed all that stuff out, I'm going to get my products together so I can begin doing my lock method. My lock method video will be in the cards. So I'm going to start in with my leave-in, and I'm going to apply my leave-in to my hair, making sure that I really get all the twists and that all the different sections are well moisturized. Then I'm going to go in with my oil, doing the same technique, just making sure that the hair is well coated. After my oil, I'm going to go in with my cream just to seal everything in. And I'm making sure that I also squeeze my hair as I'm applying it so that the product can seep into where the twists are together. And this is what the hair ends up looking like. I did end up redoing my twists after because I do want to do my hair again, but this is what they end up looking like. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.